Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to G-Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And I'm outside, and I shot this video yesterday, and I'm shooting it again today, because something was wrong with my camera. And it's doing it somewhat again, but it's given me a little more time. It doesn't seem to be counting down on me. But I have a counter that shows up now on the top of my screen while I'm shooting. And this one says that I'm 40 seconds in, and it says slash 0014 semicolon 23. Like I got 14 minutes and 23 minutes, 14 minutes and 23 seconds to shoot this video before it cuts off on me automatically. And I don't know why it's doing that. I'll have to research it. It's something new that just started. So anyway, got a light breeze today. I started off calm as could be this morning, so I got some laundry done. And then no sooner did I get them on the line, and the winds started picking up. So I got them dried, got them all folded and put away. We're all set there. So anyway, yesterday, I was noticing that night, when the sun sets, like right about now, my batteries were dropping down a little faster than normal. So I came in here, and again, here we go, 12.4. So that's 0.2 below a full battery. So one of the things was, I reversed this fan, so now it's blowing inward over the top of these two controllers. But I had it blowing air out. I had that one there. Then I had another one over here on this vent that was sucking air in from outside and blowing it directly on my aims right here. And all of a sudden there was an error on the Renogy here on the rover. It was saying direct short on the auxiliary load. So that was the auxiliary load, and that's where I had those fans hooked to. So anyway, I ended up pulling that fan out because it was stone dead. I'm going to take it apart and see what's going on inside, because those are permanent magnet motors. They're supposed to last forever. That was one of the problems I had. Let's see what happens from there. Well, I'll let you know down the line. So anyway, as I got going, I found my good hydrometer, and I took my hydrometer and I took all the caps off all my batteries. I went through and checked all the cells one at a time, and everything seemed to be in good shape, because they were all up in the blue on the right hand side where it said good. All except this one right here. This one, this outside cell, and you can see how it's corroded here. I clean that a couple of times a week and it keeps coming back. So this one cell was gassing to cause that corrosion right there. And that cell is dead. That's why I put an X on here. So I'm going to go to the local California batteries place, and they sell used batteries, and see if they got a used US 2200 anywhere, and I'll replace that one with it and get that working. So anyway, as I was going through, all of the batteries, the ones down there, the ones all through here, were all good except that one. So that could have been something that happened when it got damaged and when the whole battery bank went dead because my refrigerator burnt out a year and a half ago or something. Anyway, down here, these are all used batteries too. I bought from California Battery, and I found that the two in the center here had 2 dead cells each. All the others were fine, except for this one. This one's expanded right here. It's got a hump around this terminal, and this this one was down low saying recharge, and all of those two were good. So I left that one in place for right now, but it looks like I'm going to need to get 3 more of those. Down the line, when I switch out, I think I'm going to get this size battery. Those are the LHs, and these are the actual solar batteries, the LSs. So those are designed specifically for solar when they're black like that. So I took the 2 out of the center by putting my jumper cables from this terminal to that terminal, so I could disconnect it in the middle without losing connection from that one to that one. So I did that, and I pulled it out, and then I put the bolts through the cables in order to hold them together. And there's no way that they can bang together and short together because they're just too far apart. So that's and they're offset, of course. But yeah, I pulled those out. So those are out here. And I ran my charger and repair charger on here, and that's what it keeps coming up saying. So these 2 batteries are toast. They're junk. I had to make these little temporary handles on here to carry this one because it didn't come with handles like this one did. So I'll end up taking these 2 back and seeing if they've got 2 others that I can replace those with, and get 2 more used ones back in there temporarily to go through the winter. And I'll have to save my pennies and see if I can't get some new batteries for my battery bank, because these batteries are, well, the US 22s will be 6 years old this year, or they are 6 years old this year. So this coming April, they'll be 7 years old. And because I did buy those a year ahead of actually coming out here, and I was doing tests with them in my backyard when I lived down in the OC. So anyway, I'm thinking that I got to start planning on getting ready to replace all of the batteries. And I don't know if I really want to go with the LifePo 4s or not. The lead acids have been doing me just fine. That little battery lifesaver unit on the wall down there is supposed to make them last 10 years. So we'll have to see if that's an actuality. Of course, like I said, there was a problem where all these batteries all got dropped down below 50%. They were all dead from the problem that I had with the refrigerator that blew up and shorted out while I was away. And I came back to stone dead batteries, and I ran them all on this repair charger, and it fixed them, and I've been using them ever since. But the damage may have been done internally all the way, and even though the repair worked on it, it probably killed some of the life out of the 10 years. So anyway, I'm sorry I didn't shoot video yesterday. Like I said, I was having problems with the camera. And I seem to have done something to fix it, because every time I tried to shoot another video yesterday, it would only go for like 2 or 3 minutes and then automatically cut out and say, you've reached the maximum time limit for a video. Now, what the hell is this maximum time limit? I should be able to shoot a video for 3 hours if I want to, right? Well, anyway, I'm at 9:24:25 now, 9:25, and I still says I have 14:23 left. So apparently it's not doing that to me, and I'm not going to wait until it gets all the way up to 15 just for that. We do have what looks like a full moon coming up, but it's not full yet. There's still a little missing off the left side of it, and sometime this month, I have to check the date, we're supposed to have a full lunar eclipse, which is going to happen early morning hours. So I don't know if I'll stay up and watch it or not. I've seen eclipses through my life, and it's, when you're younger, it's a ooh ah thing. Go to see your friends and say, hey, did you see that? I guess once you've seen one, you've seen them all, though. Anyway, that's all I have. My neighbor came by today, and she picked up the scrap firewood that I had cut up for her out of the leftover scrap wood, the bad broken boards from the pallets. And I did want to get those other pallets put down and take them off the trailer and get them, start to take them apart and get the wood stored, because I just finished watching Pierre's video from Heat Seeker Bus, which is now the Backyard Bus, and he got his first snow today. So it's a little chilly out here. Sun is just setting. I'm going to call it a day, go inside, get ready to make myself some supper, and kick back and relax. And tomorrow's another day, right? All right, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget, thumbs up down there. Don't forget to subscribe down there. And share. That's all. This is G-Bear signing off.